ठीक है गाइस, सपोज आई हैव दिस 2D फिगर, ठीक है। उन्होंने पूछा इस फिगर का पेरीमीटर क्या है। बेसिकली ये फिगर का जो बाउंड्री है, whatever is the length of the boundary of this figure will be my perimeter. What about area guys? जो आउटलाइन है उसके अंदर का सरफेस
सेमी पेरीमीटर लेंगे और फिर बाद में
उसके अंदर जो सरफेस कवर्ड होता है उसको बोलेंगे एरिया। एवरीवन नोज दिस?
यस।
Now there are different ways of finding area of this triangle depending on the given values. Suppose they have given me side A, side B and side C. All the three sides are known. Which formula will I use to find the area of this triangle? Heron's formula?
सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे, उसके बाद
First we find semi perimeter which is A plus B plus C by 2.
फिर लेंगे रूट S ब्रैकेट S माइनस A, S माइनस A, S माइनस B, S माइनस C।
Has everyone studied this guys? Now suppose ये triangle है, I am considering this side as base. Suppose A, B and C. तो अगर ये base है,
वो साइड आता है।
so ये दोनों vertex को छोड़ के जो remaining vertex है, the perpendicular distance to this side, इसको बोलेंगे height।
और फिर हमारे पास दो
Height for this respective base. तो area of triangle, if base and height is known, I can apply the formula half into base
into height।
सही है?
सही है।
This height corresponds to this AC base. अगर base change हुआ तो जो remaining vertex है उधर से perpendicular distance to that base उसको मैं height लूँगा। क्या यहाँ तक क्लियर? ठीक है? Now depending on types of triangles, suppose my triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle क्या है?
The triangle which has the same side.
All three sides are equal and all angles are 60 degrees. So ये A and A. Area of a equilateral triangle
रूट 3 by 4 multiplied by side square।
root 3 by 4 into side square. Yes?
Yes।
Please note this one. Everyone look here. If this is my equilateral triangle, suppose ये vertex capital A, capital B और capital C. If I drop a perpendicular from C to this base AB, it will always follow this property कि ये जो point है, point D will bisect AB into two equal halves. तो ये होगा A by 2 और ये होगा A by 2. ठीक है? Now similarly, suppose I have my isosceles triangle. तो isosceles में कितने साइड इक्वल होते हैं? दो। तो सपोज ये साइड एंड ये साइड सेम है और ये साइड सपोज स्मॉल b है, चलेगा? These are my vertex capital A, capital B, capital C. जो नॉन इक्वल थर्ड साइड है उस पे मैंने ये वर्टेक्स से परपेंडिकुलर अगर ड्रॉ किया, इसमें भी the AB side will be bisected equally, मतलब ये भी b by 2 और ये this is b by 2. ये प्रॉपर्टीज को हम लोग यूज करेंगे हमारे फिगर्स में। तो प्लीज नोट दिस डाउन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये दोनों ट्रायंगल को छोड़ के कोई भी ट्रायंगल हुआ, डू नॉट अप्लाई दिस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी। इट इज ओनली ट्रू फॉर इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल एंड फॉर आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल। सही है? प्लीज right angled triangle. Now everyone look at this specific case of a triangle. Suppose I have this right angled triangle A, B, C, right angle at B. ठीक है? Which side is my hypotenuse staircase? The side opposite to my 90 degree. So suppose I take this BC as my base. Definition क्या है? Altitude of a triangle का या फिर height का जो थर्ड वर्टेक्स है उससे वो जो बेस पे परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, तो क्या this AB is my perpendicular distance to this base BC. तो will this other side AB become my height for base BC? तो can I write area of triangle which is half into base into height as base बन गया BC, height क्या बनी guys? AB. तो can I say area of right triangle is always half into product of two sides which contains the right angle. क्या ये AB और BC contains my right angle? तो ये इसका प्रोडक्ट डिवाइड बाय 2 विल गिव मी एरिया ऑफ माय राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट केस है, प्लीज नोट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट।
Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 18 cm, 24 cm, 30 cm. Also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle.
I think C 30 centimeter, A is 18 centimeter and B is 24 centimeter. Guys, three sides are given. How can I find the area? So, semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. This will be 48, 48 plus 24, 72 by 2, which is 36. चलेगा? So, my area of a triangle is square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is
46,000.
36. 36 minus 18 is 18. 36 minus 30 is 6. And 36 minus 24 is 12. This is guys देखो, you can already see a square here 36. क्या वो बाहर दिखेगा 6? तो 6 रूट अभी मल्टीप्लाई मैं कर रहा हूँ। 18 को लिखा 9 into 2 and 12 6 is 72. This 9 is again a perfect square. So can I take this out as 3? So 6 into 3 square root 72 to the is 144. 144 is a square root. So area of triangle is coming as 6 into 3 into 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 6 are 216. Unit centimeter square. Answer number 1. Now everyone look at the second part. Corresponding to the largest side as my base, मेरा height क्या होगा? तो suppose ये मेरा perpendicular height is unknown. चलेगा? Can I apply area of triangle is half into base into height? मैंने area of triangle अभी निकाल लिया, which is 216. तो बेस में will I take largest side as 30 into?
I take it.
Let's solve for this unknown.
40
So 216 into 2 divided by 30 is equal to h.
14.4. 216 by 50.
72 by 5.
Divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. So this is 5 1s are 5, 22. 5 4s are 20. What will be the unit, guys? Height is a length. So 14.4 centimeter. चलेगा?
triangle का AB is equal to 4 centimeter, triangle is equal to 50. Calculate the area of triangle ABC, length of perpendicular from A to BC.
Can anyone tell me which type of triangle will be formed in this question? Right angle triangle, which is also an isosceles right angle triangle.
Right angle.
अभी देखो, which is my vertex at 90 degree? तो ये B और C को कर देना. They are saying AB is equal to AC, both are 4 centimeters. चलेगा? Calculate the area of triangle. अच्छा. Can I directly apply right angle triangle का area का concept? Which is area of right triangle is half into product of the side which contain my 90 degree angle, which is AC into AB. Figure देख भाई.
8 centimeters.
सबका 8 सेंटीमीटर होगा. Now the second part, guys. The second part says length of perpendicular from A to BC. So can I just draw this triangle in a different perspective? ठीक है.
चलो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम करेगा.
आ रहा है इसका तो मुझे बताओ ये 4 है ये 4 है. I don't know about this side. If I draw a perpendicular from A, if I draw a perpendicular from A to BC, is there a way to calculate BC का length? Pythagoras theorem? Will BC square be 4 square plus 4 square, which is 32. 16 plus 16, 32. Take square root to both the sides, so BC is plus minus root 32. चलेगा? लेकिन see, I can factorize this, and length is always positive, so this will be plus, and if I factorize this to the lowest form, 2 into 16, तो ये होगा 4 root की वैल्यू पर नहीं नेगेटिव चलेगा. Now see, there are two ways of finding this height. एक तो directly this first triangle and second triangle both are right angle triangles. I can apply Pythagoras, लेकिन I am using a different way. अगर BC मेरा base है, तो क्या ये मेरी height बनेगी? Which is my unknown. सही है? तो can I apply area of triangle is half base is BC into unknown height. चलेगा? Area of triangle is 8 centimeter square, half into 4 root 2 into h. If I solve for h, I am getting 8 into 2 upon 4 root 2. 4 ones are 4 twos are root 2 ones are Height is coming as 2√2 centimeter. Please copy this. Okay. अच्छा मैं ही पढ़ रहा हूँ. The base of an isosceles triangle is 24 centimeter and its area is 192 square centimeter. Find its perimeter. So if I draw the diagram, 24 centimeter and इसका एरिया है 192 centimeters. So suppose A, B and C. क्या पेरीमीटर निकालने के लिए I need to know all the three sides. सही है? But since it is an isosceles triangle, क्या ये side and ये side will be equal?
Yes.
तो मैं बोलूंगा let the unknown
Yes.
two sides be, let me call it A centimeter. चलेगा? तो ये भी A, ये भी A. बढ़िया? ठीक है? Now, please look at this. The only reference I have here, ये थोड़ा सा difficult question है. Please, हम लोग के पास जो भी values है, I have to just play with those values and use my mensuration concept. I only know area. तो अभी, if I just go for the easiest method, which is, can I call this height h to this base 24? सही है? Will this h divide this side into two equal sides? मतलब ये 12 and this will be 12 centimeter. Can I find height? I know the base, I know the area by this formula. Area is equal to half into base into height. सही है? Area is 192 equal to half into base is 24 into height. तो ये सॉल्व करने से कितना लगेगा?
Height is equal to 16.
192 into 2 by 24 equal to h. So 2 ones are 2 12s are 6 are, this is 9s are 6 are 16 centimeter equal to height. सबको यह है? तो my height is 16 centimeter. Now guys tell me, क्या ये दोनों जो triangles बने हैं, see, let me call this point D. Triangle ADC and triangle BDC, both are right angle triangles.
Yes.
I know two sides. ये जो third unknown side है, can you find it by Pythagoras theorem? तो मैं लिखूंगा in right triangle ADC, क्या AC square will be equal to AD square plus H square. Reason PYTH theorem. बढ़िया? Let's put all the values. AC का वैल्यू मुझे निकालना है, which is A square. AD का वैल्यू कितना है? 12 का स्क्वायर और हाइट का मैंने अभी वैल्यू किया, which is 16. So 12 square plus 16 square, 144 plus 256, which is 200, which is 400. I need A का वैल्यू.
20.
Take square root. A is plus minus 20, but length is always positive. So A is 20 centimeter. So this is my A. This is my A. क्या ये दोनों 20 सेंटीमीटर हो गया? What will be the perimeter now? AC plus BC plus AB. मेरा AC 20 है, BC भी 20 है, and AB is 24. So this is 64 centimeter. First tricky question from this chapter. Please. Is everyone following the question? हम लोगों को ये शेडेड एरिया निकालना है guys. सही है? पेज नंबर 272 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If I draw the diagram guys, this is 16 centimeter. Is it given that triangle BDC, it's an equilateral triangle?
Yes.
सही है?
Given.
And this triangle ABC is my right angle triangle. This AB का length. Can I apply Pythagoras theorem, which is 16 का square equal to 8 square plus AB square. सही है?
Yes.
This is 256 equal to 64 plus AB square. If I solve this, 192 equal to AB square. Take square root. 14 का स्क्वायर 196 होता है. 296 होता है. लेकिन is length always positive? So AB will be plus of root 192. If I just factorize 192, this is 96, this is 48, this is 24, this is 12, this is 6. चलेगा? Now guys, in this, please look here. How do we prime factorize this? I will take pairs of 2. So will it be 2 into 2 into 2, which is into root 3. सही है? So AB is coming as 8 root 3 centimeter.
Yes.
क्या सबको यहाँ तक क्लियर? Guys, ये रूट 192 को मैंने प्राइम फैक्टराइज कैसे किया देख लो. एवरीवन इज कंफ्यूज कि सर स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर कैसे निकालना है. चलेगा? नाउ फॉर द शेडेड एरिया, कैन आई राइट एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन will be area of right triangle ABC माइनस क्या ये जो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल BDC है, एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल BDC. चलेगा? एवरीवन लुक एट दिस गाइस. Area of right triangle ABC. Will it be half into product of two sides which contain my right angle? Yes. So this will be half into AB into BC, which is AB की वैल्यू हो गई आई थिंक 8 root 3 और BC की वैल्यू is given as 8. ये 2 1s are 2 4s are 8 4s are 32. So 32 root 3 unit centimeter square. ठीक है. Now what about this area of equilateral triangle BDC? I can just find area of equilateral triangle BDC as root 3 by 4 into side square. Side क्या मेरी 8 8 8 है. So this will be 8 का square. 4 1s are 4 2s are 16 root 3 is my area of equilateral triangle BDC. सही है?
Yes.
अभी ये दोनों को यहाँ पे बस पुट कर दो, सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, ये तुमको पता होगा, सॉल्व कर दो एटलीस्ट। राइट ट्रायंगल ABC is 32√3 minus this is 16√3, so this is coming as
64.
ऐड क्यों कर रहा है भाई?
16√3 unit. So area of shaded region is 16√3 centimeter square. क्या सबको ये समझ रहा है? किसको किसको shaded region कैसे निकालते हैं नहीं समझ रहा है? ठीक है, मोहित। Anyone else? बाकी बच्चे कॉपी करो, भाई मोहित करो।
Triangular field is 3 times its height. If the cost of calculating the field at replace 36.72 per 100 is replaced 49,570 its base and height.
So guys, if I just draw the diagram, अगर they have not mentioned which type of triangle is this, तो मैं उसको generally एक scaling triangle ऐसे बोलूँगा। They are saying ये base है and इसका एक corresponding height है। They have given the relation between base and height.
Base is 3 times.
Base is 3 times the height. Look at the assumption. जो 3 times है ना, उसको बाद में लेंगे। जो मेरा root assumption है, which is height. Let
Base 3
h be x centimeter. Therefore, base will be 3 times h, which is 3x. चलेगा? ठीक है ना? We expect it. Let be x. You can just assume it as h as well. चलेगा?
180.
So this base is equal to 3x and this h is equal to x. Now they have given some connection की area and cost. सही है? सबको दिख रहा है इसमें कुछ यूनिटरी मेथड होने वाला है। जब मेरा एरिया 100 कितना मीटर स्क्वायर, अच्छा बाय द वे अगर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर है तो ये सेंटीमीटर को
मीटर करना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है, 100 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए कितना कॉस्ट है गाइस? 36.92। ठीक है, नाउ आई डोंट नो द एरिया ऑफ दिस फिगर, उसका कॉस्ट इज गिवन एज 49572। सही इसमें एक मिनट। नाउ कैन आई फाइंड माय एरिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस x? Will my area be half into base into height, which is 3x into x. So ये होगा 3x square by 2. So if I put my area here, which is 3x square by 2 meter square, this is giving me as 49572 rupees. इसके आगे क्या कर रहे हो? Cross multiply. So this will be 100 into 49572 equal to 36.72 into 3x square upon 2. If I send all the terms except x square to the LHS, it will be 100 into 49572 into 2 upon 36.72 into 3. चलेगा? So let's check this 13, this is 18, this is 25, 27. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now I will just remove this decimal point as 100 into 16524 into 2 into 100 upon 3672 चलेगा as x square. ये और ये, let me just try. Is it going as 5 are 3672 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 7 5s are 35, 36, 6 इसका 30 नहीं जा रहा है, ठीक है guys. 72 and 24. So I can cut these two as multiples of 4. तो देखो 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 32, 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. 9 1 8 5, ठीक है, ये 3 से कट होगा. 3 3s are 9, 0s are 6 are. This is 3 1s are 3, 11, 3 3s are 9, 23, 3 7s are 21. यहाँ पे लेगा 137 and 21. 1377.
Yes.
ठीक है, I am running out of space, so let me just solve it here.
दरवाजा जोड़ के इसको रोड.
रुक जाओ. So I am getting 100 into 1377 into 2 into 100. Guys, this is just a calculation वाला question, बाकी तो concept simple था. ठीक है, try करते हैं.
Right, 2 से कट.
ठीक है. फिर this is 4 11 and 18. This is also 9. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50, 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3.
हो जाएगा.
और होगा.
51 1s are 51 9s are. So this is 9 0 0 0 0 equal to x square.
सर 7
3 0
7 किधर?
नीचे
1
1 देखो. 51 1s are 51 9s are. If you take square root again, so
300
90,000.
if you just do this in rough, इसका square रहेगा 300 equal to x, but it will plus minus. But can my length be negative?
No.
So x is plus
Plus
300, and everything was in meters. So will this be 300 meters?
Square.
X length है.
हाँ.
So now my x का value was my height of the triangle. So I can say height is equal to x is equal to 300 meters. सही है? Base equal to 3x equal to 900 meters. Answer. Please start on this question. और ये calculation
I'm solving problems one beat at a time. I see it, see math is a puzzle, and the solution is mine. And the solution is mine. And the solution is mine.